So let's play more with the export persona, because I think it's very important. You know, it's not just about create the design. I think it's very important as well to know how to export. That's why I'm doing this lesson. So click here, export persona. If you remember, these images here are just the export from these ones, okay, that we got. But there are others ways that you can export as well. I like, you know, to export in different sizes as well. For example, remember about the Saturn that we have. I'll create another asset export settings. Click here in this icon, and then you can set a size, a standard size. Okay, how you can do that? If you click here in this field, I can export, for example, 2048W. You need to apply the W as well. Okay, there you go. And then the name here is saying that, look, the name, this name exists already, and it has just created underline 2. But then you can just do that. Look at this, how nice it is. I will delete this scale suffix and I'll apply the width right here. W means width, okay, right here. If you apply 8, it's gonna export, you know, with the 8 proportion. So the W here is gonna be exported focusing in the large size. Okay, just to clarify things, okay, with you. If I select this object right now, this one, you guys can see the size right here below. Okay, so the size that this will be exported is gonna be this one. But be careful, okay, because look, if I just apply this number right here, it's gonna, you know, stretch a lot this object. If I hit this icon, can you see this icon? 2048. Boom. What just happened is the way that export the file as well. It keeps the proportion correctly. Okay, and also you can just say that, let's say that you want to export based in the height. You can just do this, 2000. It's gonna keep the proportion, but based in the height. The file that has been exported is based in the weights. Okay, dimensions here 2048. And the name here is name error as well. It's good because I can see, okay, this name here is related to the weight, and then I will just import this onto here. Okay, image that I've just created onto here. Boom. Can you see the result? Let me just apply a background to see better, you know, the thing here. Okay, it's behind now. Okay, so pay attention to this. Can you see the weight? It is 2048. So it's the same size that we exported on the export persona. Okay, and the quality here is pretty good. Can you see? Okay, so you guys can use this standard in order to export your designs, or you need to think as well as Retina. So in order to explain even better about the resolutions, the quality, it is important to do that. Look,